Hello everyone. So guys, midweek analysis. Today is Wednesday 28th of January and we are here to talk about both the indices Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. There are 2-3 changes that has happened. So today's session is going to be important from a very simple standpoint that the expiry, the monthly expiry for Nifty, Bank Nifty and all these stocks is shifted to today's day and tomorrow will be a market holiday. Now that is one of the announcement. The second announcement, since the month of July, it was announced previously that the Bank Nifty expiry is going to be on Friday, but now it is revised. Now this decision reversed and again this expiry is going to be on Thursday. And probably this move is to ensure that we'll get some volume for Sensex expiry on Friday. So that will be an additional advantage. Now let us come back to Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. So on a weekend in Market Kya Lagta Hai episode, I had categorically mentioned that we will see a range bound move. The market is currently range bound and it is just proving that range bound theory, range bound scenario absolutely spot on. So the range for Bank Nifty was 43,867 was a higher range and 43,325 was the lower range. Now in between what happened, let me just quickly take you on the WhatsApp group. So yes, so this is Growth Model Prime group, yesterday's action, and this is one of the message which was shared on Monday. So 43,600 is acting as a support. So if 43,600 is not broken, we may see a bounce till 43,800 and 43,900 odd level. This was a message which was shared on a Monday at 11 o'clock, and then from there we saw some consolidation here, and yesterday after opening gap up, then eventually we just managed to show a very rapid upwardly kind of a move. So these kind of scenarios will keep on happening. Now this is a range bound market, just understand this. Now because of this bullish action, it is very well possible that now the all-time high level can also be taken out. It is possible that, let's say, if there is a possibility today's day, tomorrow is a holiday and Friday, in these 2 days, there is a possibility that we might see a new all-time high. There's a possibility, right? There was a very good euphoric move yesterday, but today is also an expiry. So maybe we might get a follow-up to it. So wait patiently if that kind of action happens. Let's quickly take a look at how indices moved yesterday in yesterday's action. So even if you take a look on this 15-minute chart, you will see that the market opened, it started correcting, it settled somewhere here. Now please understand that from the opening price, which is higher than the previous day's opening price, so the bias itself is a bullish, and till then if the sellers are not being able to bring the price back to the previous day's territory, that also indicates that the market is bullish. It took a support here and slowly gradually market started moving in an upwardly manner. In first attempt it failed to break above this. Once the breakout is done, this became a very good quick kind of a trade, a good breakout trade in both the indices. Bank Nifty was better trade as compared to Nifty as the target on the upside was very good. So this is one of the way by which you can observe this trade, and in most of the scenarios in yesterday's day, the option prices doubled or in some of the cases it tripled. So we have to focus on those aspects also, and that will be very helpful in such scenarios. I keep on mentioning time and again that unless and until there is a momentum in market, you will not be able to make money in option buying. So in this market, when the VIX is at a lowest level, VIX is at about 10, 10.7, 11. I have not seen VIX moving above these levels in recent time. So this itself is a sign, is telling us that you have to trade selectively, and whenever there is a momentum, it can be anything. If you are using any kind of a momentum oscillator, you follow that momentum oscillator. It can be any kind of a EMA crossover or any kind of a moving average crossover, whatever you are comfortable with, even if you are using pivot. So whatever method you are using, but just ensure that you are getting a momentum, and on that momentum you have to trade. So then it becomes very simple, easy. Now going forward from these levels, 18,800 odd level, right now we are closed at 18,800 odd level. Hardly there is a 60-70 points till we take out the all-time high. So there is a great deal of possibility that in this coming 2 days, today and Friday, it is very well possible that we might cross this 18,888 level and we might reach above 19,000 odd level. So let's say if we reach above 19,000 odd level, I am not at all saying that 19,000 will get sustained. There has to be some profit booking from those levels, but at this point in time we'll keep our bias open. If at all we get open somewhere around this zone of 18,784 or between this particular zone, so we'll let the price settle first, and if we are getting some kind of a momentum on the bullish side, if the price is above these levels and then we get a momentum, then accordingly one can trade option buy, and being expiry, it can give us a fantastic move in an upwardly manner. If it is going in a downwardly manner, I'll keep my position sizing very small, right? If at all I need to trade, I'll keep my position sizing very small, and then and only then I'll trade in that manner. Same way, if you take a look at Bank Nifty quickly, see this move is already euphoric, but if we calculate the target on the basis of a Fibonacci, so then the target comes to, the first target comes to 43,231. This is the first target, and the second target comes to 44,472. So these are the two targets that are possible. Mind you, all these things might happen because we also have a quarterly close on this month end. So they will have to have a better NAV values, right? And that can be one of the reason why we will get a continuation of this bullish particular move. So this was very evident that all the bearish move was not sustaining, the price was not sustaining below these levels. So 43,300 was held on a Tuesday basis, last Tuesday, previous Tuesday, and from those levels we have seen a great uptrend and a consolidation here that was in a way hinting towards that the next bullish move is possible. So that's it from me, guys. Trade well, do well in this particular week. See you on a weekend. Thank you so much. I'm signing off. Bye bye.